Hi, my name is Inggrid Wibowo, and I'm a workplace investigator and lawyer at Williams HR Law. As you may recall, back in April 2022, the Ontario government introduced several key and noteworthy changes to the Employment Standards Act 2000, including the creation of a new requirement to implement an electronic monitoring policy in Ontario workplaces with 25 or more employees. Although the deadline to implement the policy passed in mid-October 2022, this issue still matters because we found that this new requirement has unfortunately slipped under many employers' radars. Employers have mistakenly assumed that the requirement doesn't apply to them. On that point, it's very important to note that this requirement applies even to employers who don't currently conduct any electronic monitoring of their employees. For employers who have not yet developed a policy, hey, as they say, better late than never. There are several policy drafting considerations that we've outlined in our blog and newsletters that I would encourage you to check out. But minimally, an electronic monitoring policy has to contain 3 key elements. First, the policy has to state whether the employer electronically monitors employees in the first place. Second, if so, the policy has to describe how and in what circumstances the monitoring may occur and the purposes for which any information obtained may be used. And finally, the policy has to set out the date it was prepared and the date of any changes made to it. For employers who have developed a policy, kudos. Here's our key takeaway for you. Do not let your policy fall by the wayside. That policy can be greatly beneficial for the transparency it offers both you and your employees. For example, your policy can be really helpful where the information obtained through monitoring is used in sensitive contexts like discipline and workplace investigations. The policy can set clear mutual expectations regarding any information collected that's relevant to an employee's alleged misconduct and ensure that any investigation conducted is transparent and procedurally fair. Everyone wins. If you have any questions regarding electronic monitoring policies or would like assistance with preparing your own, please contact us. We're happy to help. Thanks so much for listening. Bye now.